Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by prepping the area and creating your working thread. Clean the brow area thoroughly so the thread grips hair, then cut 12 to 18 inches of cotton thread and tie a tight double knot. Hold the loop with both hands and form an X by twisting the center 8 to 12 times. This is the active snare. Once done, place small guide dots at the brow start, arch, and tail so you remove hair symmetrically and avoid overthinning. Now you focus on execution. Snare, tighten, and pull. Anchor the loop on your thumbs and index fingers so the twisted center slides back and forth. Position the twist directly over the hairs you want to remove. Make sure to stretch the skin taut with your free hand for a cleaner grip, then snap the twist forward with a quick controlled motion to catch and pull hairs from the root. Move in small sections and retwist frequently to maintain control and precision. To finish, soothe and tidy the brow area while checking symmetry. Apply a cool compress or aloe gel to reduce redness, then trim any stray long hairs with small scissors and refine gaps with careful snips or a small number of additional passes. If you notice broken hairs, excessive bleeding, or persistent irritation, stop immediately, clean the area, and reassess technique. Switch to shorter twists, firmer skin tension, or longer thread length to regain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.